Turkey, I want them to have like sun for a while, so I just let them out from the brooder. So see, they're there. They're trying to eat some grass. And this is the only small, this is the smallest of all the, what's this one here. This is the one who wants to sleep always on my farm. So he's, I don't know if this male or female. So they love the sun, eh? See, there's sunbathing there. It's new for them to be out of the brooder. They're happy there. So they are always swimming on the water there. Because the one that I'm using or making the DIY, they don't know how to use that one. So they are, sometimes they dry out of the, because the yellow of the middle of the drinker or the feeder is need to push so that the water will come out, but since they're still little, their Vic is not enough to reach on the, what's that, automatic like switch there, so they cannot let the water out. So they will, sometimes when I check, it's dry, their water. So they love to be in the sun. See, they're so cute. I don't know if they're all white, but one of this one here, he has a spot black little on his, on the wings, but most of them is white. So this one has, what's this, a little spot on the, but this one is pure white, and also this one. They try to so they're this is the first time they're out from the brooder, so I think they're, it's news for them, so they're happy and they're just observing what they're gonna do. So they're on the sun and they're just relaxing.